You know, this is for you, Kenneth. This isn't just a good way to make a living. It's a great way to create a life. I was going to do this for 6 weeks, 47 years ago. And here I am, still having a pretty good time. Still making some decent money. And I get to do what I love to do, hang out with car salespeople and managers. I chose that life 47 years ago. Accidentally. You didn't grow up wanting to be a car salesman, did you? Hell, nobody does. Okay? None of us in this room probably. Okay. But you're not going to get all you can out of this business unless you get good at it. And most salespeople don't. You know, ALM will help you make a living. Okay, look at this building. Okay, you should have seen it before. Okay, you should have seen it before. Look at our location. How many cars go by here every day? I mean, it's got to be one of the busiest highways in metro Atlanta. It's busier than Cobb Parkway. Your inventory. You got gorgeous inventory here. Multiple finance sources, multiple finance managers, management support. How much of the overhead of this building do you have to pay each month? You don't pay shit. I believe they give you computers, they give you desks, they give you lights, they give you air conditioning in the summer, heat in the winter. I mean, an automobile dealership will help you make a living if you just show up every single day you're supposed to and work your shift and follow your process. But if you want to get rich, you got to develop your sales skills. Okay? There's plenty of people out there that'll help you. You ever seen me before today?
No, sir.
You've never seen me before?
Maybe on a video, honestly.
Okay, well, maybe is not the right answer.
Maybe. So the videos I sent you, you maybe watched them?
No, I didn't. That's what I'm thinking because I got to put the face with the video too.
Do I?
Because somebody else sent me a video, and I think it was you, another salesman from here, and I did watch the video, and that's why I'm like, you look familiar.
Do I look that much better on camera? Just kidding you. Just kidding you. Well, you're going to get a bunch more from me. I don't want you just to watch them for entertainment purposes. I want you to study them. Okay?